We're here with VERSATEX today in Roxbury, Connecticut, and we're going to be doing this super cool project in the bathroom. You got to come along for the ride and we'll show you how it's done. So for us, everybody loves the whole modern farmhouse aesthetic. It's really, really popular right now, and especially shiplap. And shiplap is typically wood, you know, and we put it in various applications. And now we're so excited because we can do shiplap in the shower, which we weren't able to do before. We went online, we looked at all, started searching this, and no one had really done it before. So when we came upon your product, we were super excited. So tell me, do you think this is going to change things for people to use this product in wet situations, showers, and that kind of thing?
Absolutely. That's kind of one of the reasons we came out with the profile. We recognized that it was growing in popularity, so we came out with a PVC version to kind of have an application where wood would normally fail, and it's done very well for us so far.
Excellent. What was really great when we got together with you guys was how easy this product is to install. Why don't you tell us how to do that?
Yeah, this is incredibly easy to install. We're going to be using just NPC solar cell glue as a waterproofing, and he's going to nail it up 16 inches on center, paint it, done.
It doesn't get easier than that.
No, it doesn't.
Cool.
The nice thing about this is that the homeowner doesn't have to worry about mold or mildew since it's mold and mildew resistant.
Perfect.
All right. The best thing is it's a non-prorated lifetime warranty on the product.
Awesome.
Right. And then we also have a Class 5A adhesion rating for paints. So you can use paints, Sherwin-Williams, PPG. They both cover our product and they provide you with a warranty on their products for the 25 years.
So that's what's so cool about this product is because I look around when I saw it, it looks clean as it is, but it's all paintable. You can do whatever you want with it too. So it's customizable. We can do anything we want.
Yeah.
It's so exciting.
Pretty much do anything you want.
It's great.
The truth is we're blown away. The work of Kelly and the VERSATEX team is it's unparalleled. The shiplap looks amazing. We've created our ideal modern farmhouse using these guys. The product is so clean and streamlined. It really takes you from just kind of ordinary to extraordinary, and we're incredibly grateful. We'll be back for much, much more. It really is the most unique product on the market, so thank you guys.